Welcome to Happy Pics Tourism YouTube channel. Welcome to Most Amazing Waterfalls in India series part T. India is visited not only for its man-made attractions, but also for its natural attractions, essentially the pristine waterfalls. In fact, if you are on a tour to India, most of the destinations would definitely constitute of a visit to the waterfalls, as they are important places of interest. Kempty Falls. Kempty Falls is a waterfall in Ramgaon and at the south of Kempty, in the Tehri Garhwal district of Uttarakhand, India. It's nearly 1,364 meters above sea level. The Kempty Falls and the area around is surrounded by high mountain ranges. The most distinguishing features of Kempty Falls are its multiple cascades and streams that look like smooth flowing tresses of a celestial being. These clear glistening streams of water are visible from a distance. For adventure seekers, Kempty Falls also has an artificial lake which offers activities like boating and zip lining. With restaurants and shops in the vicinity, Kempty Falls has become a popular tourist spot. The falls are a good place for picnic or for spending a couple of hours in the midst of the greenery, which cover the surroundings of the Kempty Falls. Another 12 km down the hill, the waters of the Kempty reach the legendary waters of Yamuna River. Kempty Falls is accessible by car, taxi or bus, which are easily available from Mussoorie station. Nearby railway station is Dehradun railway station and airport at Jolly Grant Airport. Do subscribe, like and share channel. We will come back soon with new video. Take care and stay safe.